channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the hit the QUAN Tik Tok trend, which looks very, very hard, but actually it's very easy to learn and it's also very popular. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now let's get started. By the way, this video is weird, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now let's go. So right now, we're going to practice the dance slow, and then we're going to practice it even faster and faster until we get it at the TikTok speed. So don't worry because you will learn it. Okay, first we're going to do it slow. Let's start. The very first thing we're going to do is just show a W with our hands. We can do it however we want. We can show it like this with one hand, both hands. Just show a W. That's it, okay? And now, what we're going to do is our right elbow goes to the side, left one goes to the side. Once again, W, right, left. Okay, so after this, what we're going to do is a whoa. But it's not this whoa, like the one we do normally. It's like this. It's like the second version of the whoa. So basically, we're bending both hands, and our right hand goes down, and then it goes up and down again. Like that. Once again, one. Once again, one. Like that. Okay, so let's do it from the very beginning again, and we'll move on. W, right, left, whoa. Perfect. Now, after the whoa, what we're going to do is, do you know how you play rock, paper, scissors, right? Like this? Well, we're going to do 1, 2, scissors. Once again, 1, 2, scissors. Once again, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and now, how it's going to look with the dance is like this. Whoa, rock, paper, scissors. Okay? So, after this, what we're going to do is slide with our hands to the right, slide with our hands to the left. Like that. So, 1, 2, 3, slide, slide. Then, we're going to step back. With our left leg, it's going to look like this. And with our hand, we're going to just do a circle, which is going to look like this. Okay? From here, like this. And then, we're going to return to our starting position. Okay, let's do it from the very beginning slow, and we'll move on. W, right, left, whoa. 1, 2, 3, slide, slide, step, back. And now what we're going to do is a circle with our hands. So our hands are going to be in fists, and it's more a circle only with our elbows. We don't have to do a full circle like that. It's not going to look good. Just a small circle. Do you see? Perfect. Once again, 1. It's a circle and a half. Once again, 1. Once again, 1. Perfect. Let's do it from the very beginning and we'll move on. W, right, left, whoa. 1, 2, 3, slide, slide, step, circle. So what we're going to do after this is we're going to go 1, 2. So one hand, our right hand is in the air, and we're just going to bend, straighten. And then after this, what we're going to do is cross our arms, put them on our shoulders, uncross, and then we're going to go 1, 2, like that. Once again, cross, across, 1, 2. Perfect. Now let's combine it with the beginning and we'll move on because we don't actually have much left. We're already more than halfway through. So let's go. W, right, left, whoa. Rock, paper, scissors, slide, slide, step, circle, bend, cross, uncross. 1, 2. Perfect. Now, what we're going to do is, from here, we're going to straighten our right hand, then our left hand. They go down, and we're going to pretend we are walking on one place. And first 2 steps are going to be fast. 1, 2, and then we're going to go slow. And then we're going to do the next move. But first, let's do it from the very beginning. Are you ready? W, 1, 2, whoa. Rock, paper, scissors, slide, slide, step, circle, bend, cross, uncross. 1, 2, straighten, down, and walk, slow. Okay, so after this, what we're going to do is our right leg is bent. So we're gonna step forward with it, and we're gonna do the dice roll. That's how this move is called. So we're gonna go 1, 2, and then we're gonna clap. Once again, 1, 2, clap. Perfect. And now what we're gonna do after the clap is 1, like that. Remember the dab? Right now people don't usually do it, but sometimes they do it like without the second hand that goes up in the air. Just this one. 1, like that. And our hand is gonna be in a fist for this one. Okay, now let's do it from the beginning and we'll move on. Are you ready? W, right, left, whoa. 1, 2, 3, slide, slide, step, circle, bend, bend, cross, uncross. 1, 2, straighten, straighten, down, walk, walk, slow, dice roll, clap, dab. Okay, so after we do the dab, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna pretend we are grabbing something that is in front of us. We're gonna pull it towards us, pull it to the side, and then what we're gonna do, instead of doing this as we usually do, we're gonna do like a circle with our hand like that. 1, and then we're gonna put our hands in front of us like this, and we're gonna do a wave like that. So let's do it, you know from where we're gonna do it from here. Are you ready? Bend, bend, cross, uncross. 1, 2, straighten, straighten, down, and walk, walk, slow, dice roll, clap, dab, front, side, circle, wave. Perfect. Now let's move on. So after the wave, the only thing we have left is turn. 1, 2, the same thing we did before, but instead of going down, we're just gonna clap. So this is gonna be very fast. It's gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3. Once again, 1, 2, 3. So just practice that. And now let's join it with the beginning. So we're gonna do it twice from the very beginning. Once we're gonna do it slow. Once we're gonna do it fast. Okay, are you ready? First we're gonna do it slow. Let's go. W, right, left, whoa. 1, 2, 3, slide, slide, step, circle, bend, bend, cross, uncross. 1, 2, straighten, straighten, down, and walk, walk, slow, dice roll, clap, dab, front, side, circle, wave, and straighten, straighten, clap. Okay, and now we're going to do the same thing, but even faster. Let's go. W, right, left, whoa. 1, 2, 3, and slide, slide, step, circle, bend, bend, cross, uncross. 1, 2, straighten, straighten, down, walk, walk, slow, dice roll, clap, dab, front, side, circle, wave. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Now the only thing you have left is to practice it even faster at the TikTok speed. But now that you know the moves perfectly, it's going to be a lot easier to actually film the TikTok. And I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial.